Got the big boy in the back.
What's going on, fam squad? Welcome back to another episode of the Rocket Boys with my buddy Wingus. You know what I'm saying? Check him out. But yeah, in the back we've got a little bit of a aircraft carrier.
May suffer a little bit of collateral damage. You know
Yeah,
what I'm
I
saying?
mean, look, it's literally backed up to each side of the car.
Nice job.
Yeah, we would have taken the big boy car, but we decided to do this one because you know it's. Yeah, and we're gonna be launching some cool stuff off of this, so we'll catch you in a minute. We're at the lake or the launch zone, and we're gonna put this bad boy out on the water. Let's show them.
We'll see if it works. I don't even know if it will.
Yeah, we don't know if this will work, but
Can only hope.
we're gonna launch this little rocket as a tester boy. As you can see, there's a little fuse under this cap. Yeah, there's a little fuse that we're gonna light, and then send that boy to the stratosphere. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that. All right, pre-flight complete.
Also, bush light. This right here is one of the most buoyant things in the world, as you can already tell. We got some pool noodles down there. We're using a fishing line to hook it on one of these poles so it doesn't run away from us.
I want to follow my move as we go out here.
Okay, I'm grasping the fishing line.
Okay, hold on. Get a quick shot of the bow.
Got a little mast on there, or a flag, and it's closest thing we got to like a little aircraft carrier stump thing. And we're ideally gonna land the drone on those little black magnets right there on that little pink circle. So let's do this.
Indeed.
You ready?
It's extremely clunky.
All right. Just toss it in there. There you go. Well, I knew it would work.
Well, I was waiting for that. Let's hope it doesn't sink, for God's sake. It does indeed float. Ooh, that's a high buoyant force. All right, well, it's time for the second test.
If
If it were motorized, we would take this out way further, but this is the best we can do for today.
All right. Oh wait, and look, it's called the Irinese.
Okay. Get it up right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Now
Are we all ready for the cruise test?
We're ready for the cruise test.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in your shoe big time.
Ah!
Cut the cameras, cut the camera.
Yeah, look at how far it's going.
Oh look, we already got a little
Oh!
we got a little dragonfly on there. He's sitting on the flag.
I can't believe
I salute you, Mr. Dragonfly.
That actually looks so dope.
I know. Look at that. All right, so the cruise test was a success. Angry Grandpa. We're gonna take the drone off and land it, and we're gonna get some amazing shots of this beautiful lake right here. Okay, we're rolling.
Okay, whatever you say.
We got-
boss. And the bush light.
And the bush, yeah. Oh yeah, and the bush light. The bush light actually kind of drifted away.
Facts.
Yeah, let's
Roll the cinematics.
All right, Cole here has just found an epic gamer branch. But yeah, as you can see, We're out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, there's probably a highway way out there or something. But this is our house for the time being. We got a nice 4 square foot rental. It even comes with a bathroom. All right, we put a little duct taped box on there. Yeah, and what we're gonna do is put that rocket on that little gray box right here, and then quickly ignite the rocket with that little torch in Cole's hand right here, and then push it out. We don't want to push it too hard, but
Definitely not.
okay, you ready?
Ready.
Let me get the tripod. I gotta back up a little.
Are we rolling?
We are rolling.
Roger Dodger, Chief.
Roger Dodger. Oh, push it out.
Hell yeah!
Let's go!
Oh, we got debris falling down.
Oh,
Keep sign of the debris. Keep sign of the debris. Whoa!
whoa! Oh, it's raining.
Wow! Oh my god!
Let's go!
We did it, partner.
Great success!
Yeah, there's some debris floating around out there, but there is definitely a pretty big scorch mark on that box.
Man, don't mean no ding old thing.
But it was a great success.
Great success!
That's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because we're coming out with videos every day, son. So, not really.
I wish
no.
every day.
I wish it was every day, but we will catch you in the next one.
Let's go!